Bajato Automotive Lighting presents the tail lamp assembly replacement for Mitsubishi Canter trucks. This is a high-quality rear combination lamp made of plastic and having a metal cover at the back. This lamp has lens made of acrylic and housing made of polypropylene material. It has 5 functions: tail, stop, rear direction indicator, reflex reflector, and reverse. You can use both 12 volts or 24 volts bulbs in it. The connector of this lamp is as per OEM fitment. This is a value for money product, and when you buy this you get Bajato commitment of quality and reliability. You can order this by going to the RFQ form in the description below and filling your information and requirement.